I'm going to cut this dragon fruit in preparation for a beautiful platter. So the main thing you do is to have the skin on. The skin is on, just remove the petals, and have the skin and the fleshy juice part. These are the ones which are going to make a lovely pattern for our platter. So the clue is you need to cut the dragon fruit into thick slices. Just cut the dragon fruit into thick slices, cut it into thick slices. So this is how you do it. Cut the dragon fruit into thick slices. Well, like this, a bit thick, or you can make this a bit thinner. It's too thick. Let's cut it into half again so that it is manageable. So today I'm going to show you a beautiful platter of the dragon fruit. It's not only going to be dragon fruit. I also have the oranges, the banana, and the kiwi. They are going to be part of the platter. So I have peeled some oranges. Look at that. Just peel the oranges and have some orange slices in this form. And here we just remove the pith. Just make sure the pith is removed, so that it looks neat. So we are going to have orange pieces like this, orange segments like this one in the platter. We are also going to use some papaya. This is little pieces of papaya. These are little pieces of papaya. And we are also going to use a little bit of kiwis. I'll show you in the platter. So let's see how far we've gone with the platter. So I have already started arranging the platter. So this is the platter we have. This is the platter. So what I'm going to do first is just to top up some papaya. This papaya. Top it into a wine glass. This wine glass. Just drop the papaya there. Drop the papaya. Little pieces of papaya. And the guests are going to enjoy having this papaya. It's a beautiful fruit, really juicy, full of vitamin C, full of fiber. So that's the papaya there. So when you've done the papaya, then the next thing is to arrange the oranges. So the oranges are going to be our first borderline. Just arrange them, in a beautiful way. Look at that. Just arrange the oranges in a beautiful way. They are going to form the borderline of the platter. So just go with them around the platter. We have our oranges there around the platter, and they make quite a nice pattern. The oranges, look at that. They make a lovely pattern. The oranges make a lovely pattern. So arrange them right round the platter like that. So we have our beautiful orange segments. Now I have some semis of the kiwis. So these are the kiwis. Go it round. And the kiwis are rich in vitamin C, and they also have some potassium, which is really a good thing. So those are the kiwis going right round. We have the kiwis. And then this platter needs color. It needs to be vibrant. So we have our dragon fruit. going round, round the central part of the platter. We have the dragon fruit with its vibrant seeds. Wow, look at that. And this beautiful. So please do remember to subscribe to my channel, and I will be very happy and thankful if you do that. And now we carry on with our platter. So far we have done the papaya. Amazing papaya is inside there. That's the amazing papaya. Then we have done the oranges, going right round the platter to mark as a borderline. So your guests will just pick the orange and consume and eat. So this is what we are going to have, in the platter. And the amazing kiwis, the amazing dragon fruit. Look at that. The dragon fruit will change the atmosphere. It will make everything bright. Now, we are going to do the final touch of this platter. And this platter is going to be finalized with the aid of the dragon fruit. So you cut the dragon fruit into semis like this. Cut into semis like this. Then we are just going to crisscross the dragon fruit on our decoration. Just crisscross the dragon fruit like that to make it a vibrant, decoration. That's what we are going to do. Crisscross the dragon fruit, the semicircles of the dragon fruit. Crisscross them like that. Look at that. Look at that. And that's beautiful. And I have just prepared 4 slices of dragon fruit just to sum up the decoration. So this is the final touches of the platter. This is the final touch of the platter. Look at that. So I hope we have really enjoyed this presentation. Look at that. Look at the massive dragon fruit. Look at that. So we have dragon fruit. We have the dragon fruit. We have the papaya inside there. We have more dragon fruit on the base. We have the kiwi and the orange. Wow, look at that. The ascending platter. Look at the ascending platter. Look at that. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be so thankful. So thanks everybody for watching this video. Thanks everybody.